Hey, it's me again. Last but not least, one more goodie and I'm going home. I'm going to bed. I was supposed to do some work tonight, but it's like too late to wake the neighbors up. So, picked up a $3 Westcott. See that? $3 Westcott wrench. It's actually in, there's some weird writing on it. I don't know how old this is, but there's like some weird stamps in there. I don't know what's the name. It's like there's a, looks like an IS, or no, wait, a TAYSE, and then there's a KAN something, KAM, CAM. You can tell these are old stamps because nobody uses those italics on anything anymore. I gotta give it a little peen here, put that back, but other than that, it's pretty damn cool. I might take the jaw out and see if I can get it out, I should say. See if I can get this off and fix this. But it's pretty darn good. It's, wait. Buffalo, New York. I can't read it. The Keystone Manufacturing Corporation, Buffalo, New York. Westcott. I'm guessing this is old because nobody makes these things in Buffalo. And I'm pretty sure they haven't been made in Buffalo for a long time. It doesn't open super wide, but it's pretty darn cool, actually. I don't think I have a Westcott one like this. Let me go check. Hold on. Stay tuned. I'm gonna pause this. So yeah, back to the Westcott wrench. It appears I have two more. I have a this big inch one. This is an auto 6-inch. It says Westcott. Oh, it is an 8-inch. This one has, I guess, a newer little thing on it. It also says Keystone. What is it? Let's say again. The Keystone Manufacturing Company on it. It's a Westcott. Looks like they changed up the design a little. What the hell was that? Something fell off the shelf. Yeah, I only have a small Westcott. This one is a Billings. This is a Billings and Spencer one, which kind of similar, but it's reversed. It's like the opposite way, which is kind of neat. And I have another one, which is a B and C one, which is kind of this way. So it's almost the same kind. But I don't see these around here very often. These are like hard to come by around here. I have a lot of like this style crescent wrenches. Jamestown, New York. I don't think they're made in Jamestown, New York anymore. Even like this one is what? No hammering extensions. Blue Point. Made in, I didn't say where. Oh, Spain. Yeah, because, Snap-on's a Spanish company, right? And this one is a Utica Tools. This one was made in Utica, New York. So we got Utica, New York, Jamestown, New York. What the hell did I say? This one, Buffalo, New York. Apparently, America was a big manufacturing company before. Hub, and now we don't make nothing. It's just junk. Made some pretty cool tools. Like, I don't know. Why would people get rid of this stuff and want shit like this, which is, I don't know, master crap? I mean, which one do you think looks cool? These ones or the ugly gray plastic one? Of course, they all have patina and rust on them. I bet you they looked really good in their heyday when they're all nice and beautiful and chromy and stuff. But I guess today we're all used to the like chrome finish. We like that. But I think the old steel finishes just look really cool. People put them in mosaics and all this stuff. But I have a lot of the crescent ones. I keep finding them all in like dark metal, rusty, good old whatever but I don't think Jamestown, New York makes crescent wrenches anymore. See, somebody scratched their name on it too. SU or Olas. Or, this one's definitely old. It's got fonts on it. I don't even see. But I don't know. I never really thought to buy these until seeing online. I'm like, hey, those are cool. And then I bought one. And I was like, hey, I think I'm hooked on these things. Blue Point is Blue Point, whatever. And there's Utica tools. I have one that's stuck. I still can't get it open. I don't know how old these are, but I find the older ones too, when you open them that size, they stay that size. These stupid new ones, there's too much, like, look, there's too much slop. It just keeps moving. Like there's no precision in it. And these ones tend to, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but they don't move. Oh, that one moves. I lied. But they'll move inward, but they stay, like I don't have a problem. Every time I use this thing, I gotta readjust it every 5 seconds, like, because it doesn't stay. That's why I guess wrenches were invented, right? Use a wrench, it stays in the same size. So yeah. And then probably got like, 60 zillion of these things. Good old King Dick wrenches. These I like too. So, like a lot of other videos, I've noticed it's fun to use old tools. Like, even though I have some new ones that look really nice and pretty, it's fun to use the old screwdriver I bought. I think I paid $10 for this little sucker. And, every now and then, pick up the Klein tools, because it's got different bits in it. Take it apart, but, yeah. They just got a, nice feel, these things. I mean, don't get me wrong. This one, has a nice rubber grip handle, but this laser etching is eventually going to rub off, and what, 60 years later or 80 years later, you won't be able to tell who made this. But if this was in a nice, whatever, greased box somewhere, another 40 years, it was all oily, it would still be good, still work, and you'd still know who made it. You may not be able to, might not know a lot about the company, all the information might have disappeared, but you'd still know about it. See, I have all the names stamped in there. All this plastic shit, all this is just gonna crumble, break, and you're not gonna see it anymore. The only thing be left is this, and if we're lucky, these little things will rust away. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the button, and hope you enjoyed it.